And here's how I made it. So the ladder actually, there's nothing actually holding the ladder in. It's just standing there. The angle is just perfect. All the weight goes down, no issues there. It just comes right off. I put on these little brackets here to catch this corner here. Put that to the side there. Now this is going to jostle the camera a little bit because this lip of the bed actually is hanging over the edge of the platform that I put on here. So when I lift this up, what you see is I've got these aluminum Z or French cleat type system. There's one on either side. Nothing fancy here. Oversized piece of wood back here. Nice solid wood. I didn't want anything too flimsy. So this is Douglas fir. That was it. Douglas fir. Sits and locks this all into place. Holds it all really nice and tight together. Real simple to install. And that's it. So platform, the bed itself will sit down and locks into, make it nice and rigid to lock it into this spot right here. And then when we put the ladder back in, just lift that corner up a little bit. That puts all of the pressure on there. There you have it. It's not going anywhere. Nice and solid. I'll probably put a nice paint or I don't know. Yeah, I'll probably just paint it. We should be good to go. There it is with the wife's bike in. So that was the whole idea of it, was the two motorcycles. Now that I have my bike that goes here is much bigger than my previous motorcycle. We were going up the middle of them. Can't get through there anymore. The fairing on it is just too big. So now what I did is I built this along that side. I can walk up that to get to the bed, and in the middle of the night we have to come down. I can just walk right back down that. Don't interfere with the bikes at all. And we have a nice, easy way of getting up and down now. It's actually even better than what we were originally using. Huh?